This is Weather Rampage's Winter Outlook 2023 to 2024. Brace yourselves, a strong El Niño will unleash its winter fury this winter 2023 into 2024. As El Niño could strengthen into a Super El Niño if conditions become more and more favorable. Get ready, folks, winter 2023 is about to make a grand entrance, and it's bringing with it the force of a strong El Niño. So, what does this mean for us? Let's break it down without the meteorological jargon. What's El Niño anyway? Picture the Pacific Ocean getting all heated up. No, it's not a tropical vacation, it's El Niño. This climate phenomenon warms up the sea surface in the Pacific, throwing the usual weather patterns for a loop. Winter 2023's El Niño Showdown. Hold on to your hats, this El Niño is packing a punch. Meteorologists are telling us that this one is not your average weather hiccup, it's a strong El Niño. That translates to some serious changes in the atmosphere, and we're all going to feel it. What to expect? Temperature roller coaster. Winter might not be as chill as we're used to. Some places are going to crank up the heat, leading to warmer and drier conditions. Others might get hit with a cold and wet surprise. It's like Mother Nature can't decide on the season. Snow, rain, repeat, snow lovers, beware. The usual snowy scenes might not be as picturesque this time around. On the flip side, rain showers might be making unexpected guest appearances where they're not usually invited. Bundle up or break out the sunscreen. Wardrobe confusion alert. Depending on where you are, you might need your winter coat or your summer shades. It's like the seasons are having a bit of a mix-up. Why should we care? Well, aside from the wardrobe challenges, a strong El Niño has some serious implications. We're talking potential disruptions in the usual weather order. From more intense storms to droughts that could make your lawn turn a crispy shade of brown. What can we do? First things first, don't panic. Secondly, stay informed. Keep an eye on the weather updates because this El Niño could be throwing us a few curveballs. If you're in an area prone to extreme weather, it might be a good idea to prepare for the unexpected. In a nutshell, winter 2023 is stepping into the spotlight with a strong El Niño. And it's rewriting the script for our usual weather drama. So, whether you're a snow enthusiast, a rain dancer, or just someone who likes to know what to wear, buckle up, it's going to cause and affect weather that this strong to potentially super El Niño will cause for 2023-2024. Extreme weather patterns are likely across the U.S. with potentially devastating impacts in the weather world. Our predictions indicate that the South, in light green on this map, will likely be very stormy as the subtropical jet stream intensifies. That means that intense severe weather events such as damaging hailstorms, tornadoes, and strong cyclonic storms will move into this area very frequently. Also, our predictions indicate for areas from Oklahoma east to North Carolina will experience a major winter battle as major winter storms affect this area. Our predictions indicate in the light purple areas around Illinois and Missouri that this will be the Arctic air zone, where bouts of Arctic air will frequently move into this area this winter. Our predictions indicate that the northern states in purple will deal with the polar vortex system of very cold Arctic air very often this winter, with temperatures well below zero if the polar vortex and the polar jet stream is allowed to move south into the country. This will all depend on if the zonal flow weather patterns are disrupted and troughs or storm systems move far down into the U.S. Our predictions indicate that the northeast states in dark blue will see mega snowstorm systems, as storm systems from the south ride up the east coast and become very strong nor'easters, producing apocalyptic blizzard conditions and very strong hurricane-force winds. Our predictions indicate that areas of Colorado in light blue will experience very cold and snow conditions frequently this winter season. Tons of snow could potentially fall in this area frequently this winter. Our predictions indicate that the West Coast states from California east to Texas in dark green will experience extremely stormy conditions, as the atmospheric river of storms from the Pacific Ocean will cause wave after wave of intense flooding in this area and extreme mudslides, especially in California. And lastly, our predictions indicate that the Rockies may be the only area that may experience normal and average snowfall and weather conditions this winter season. To conclude this video, please note that these are weather predictions and should not be taken as concrete evidence of what will happen this year. But please keep in mind that these weather predictions are based off of what has actually happened in previous years, when a strong El Niño or super El Niño has occurred. The fact of the matter is that a strong to super El Niño has always had a major impact on U.S. weather patterns and also on global weather patterns. So the time to prepare for the potential that there could rapidly be a major change in U.S. and global weather patterns is now. Just be ready for what Mother Nature has in store for this winter. This concludes Weather Rampage WX's Winter Outlook 2023 to 2024 video.